Come test drive the 2025 Forester. The Subaru Forester is a sensible, practical, and affordable vehicle. It has an impressive, comfortable ride and handles well. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, brake assist, daytime running lights, tires, front all season, four-wheel disc brakes, tires, rear all season, LED headlights, variable speed, intermittent wipers. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.